So before 6 months, it is called capital profit. After 6 months, it is called revenue profit. Ravi Limited acquired 3,000 shares in Kiran Limited on 1/10/2017. Profit for the year is 80,000. 6 months capital profit, 6 months revenue profit. If the capital reserve more, it will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. If the goodwill comes, it will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. Hello, my dear students. I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to have Advanced Corporate Accounting 4th semester, Unit 3, Session 3 in favor of BCom, and the chapter name is called Holding Company. So what do you mean by, I told in the last class, what do you mean by holding company? A holding company is one which holds more than 51% share of another company. If there are two companies are there, one is called X, one is called Y. If X holds more than 50% of the share of a Y company, H is called holding company, Y is called subsidiary company. Then the funds of the company is, one is called profit, one is called reserve. So which are the two source of funds are? One is called profit, one is called reserve. Whatever the profit we got before acquisition is called capital profit. After acquisition is called revenue profit. Whatever the reserve we are having before acquisition is called capital reserve. Then after acquisition is called revenue. Here we are going to do consolidated balance sheet. If any debtor is given the adjustment, deduct any in adjustment. If they have given a debtor amount, deduct from debtor, deduct from creditor. If any bill is given, mutual adjustment you have to do, deduct from BR, deduct from BP. This is a present. Then consolidated balance sheet. Consolidation means they will give the two balance sheet. You add the both the balance. That is holding company asset as well as S company account. Regarding the liability side, share capital of holding company, then general reserve of holding company, profit of holding company only, the creditor BP should be combined together. Regarding the capital, share capital of holding company, general reserve of holding company, profit of holding company. Don't take capital profit or capital reserve. You have to take only revenue. Revenue to revenue should be added. So we'll move on. Here there are two balance sheet. One is Ravi Limited, another is Kiran Limited. They have given the assets of Ravi Limited and Kiran Limited. See that investment in 3,000 in Kiran. Who invested? Ravi has purchased 3,000 share of Kiran Limited. So what is the total amount? 4 lakh is there. Divided by 100 means 4,000 shares are there in Kiran Limited. Out of that, how much acquired? 3,000 share acquired by Ravi Limited. The balance 1,000 goes to minority Kiran Limited. We'll go on now. Whatever the here date, see that general reserve on 1/4/2007, profit balance 1/4/2007. See that what the profit? Ravi Limited acquired 3,000 shares in Kiran Limited on 1/10/2017. So what's the date of acquisition? 1/10/2017. Here date is 31/2018. So how it starts? 1/4/2017 to 31/3/2018 is our year. How the year start? April to March. From which date to which date? 1/4/2007 to 31/3/2018. Which date it was acquired? It was acquired on which date? 1/10. Limit April, May, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10th, it is acquired after 6 months. So before 6 months, it is called capital profit. After 6 months, it is called revenue profit. Before 6 months, it is called capital reserve. After 6 months, it is called revenue reserve. And acquisition. The building and machinery, you can remember 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh. If there is a appreciation, it is called capital profit. If there is a depreciation, it is called capital loss. Appreciation, capital profit, depreciation, capital loss. Debtor of revenue limit 10,000 due from Kiran. Who has to pay Kiran? So when they consolidated here, so there is no question of debtor and creditor. Deduct 10,000 from debtor, 10,000 from creditor. This is important. If there is any bill is there, deduct from BR, deduct from BP. We'll move on. Total number of shares is equal to 4 lakh divided by 100. So subsidiary company 4 lakh Kiran, 4 lakh divided by 100. It is 4,000 shares. Next, 3,000 shares acquired by Ravi Limited. The balance 1,000 share goes to Kiran Limited. Therefore, Ravi is to Kiran 3,000 is to 1,000. They are in the ratio of 3:1. This is a first step to do. Then, calculation of capital and revenue. Particulars total is a first company, Ravi. Then we have got Kiran, minority. So you have to calculate capital and revenue. Total shares 4,000, 3,000 taken by Ravi, 1,000 goes to Kiran. What's the value of the share? Rupees 100. It becomes 1 lakh. Now, come back here. General reserve on 1/4 is 50,000 is nothing but acquire on 110 means it is nothing but capital reserve. Capital reserve $50,000. So share is 3:1. 3/4. 50,000 into 3 divided by 4. 37,500 goes to Ravi. capital reserve. Then 50,000 into 1 divided by 4, 12,500 goes to Kiran. This goes in favor of capital reserve. Now, this over. Now, regarding this, no, 1 for your capital profit is 30,000. Profit for the year is 80,000. 6 months capital profit, 6 months revenue profit. Out of 80, 6 months means here, out of 80,000, here, 80,000, half of means 40,000 capital profit, another 48,000. So, already you got a profit on 1 for 30. Total capital profit becomes 70,000. Capital profit, $30,000 already available, half of 6 months. This is 6 months. Totally 70,000. So 70,000 into 3 divided by 4, 52,500. Then 70,000 into 1 by 4. This is 17,500. So another 40,000, that is the revenue profit. Revenue profit, another 40,000 balance. This is 40,000. So 40,000 into 3 divided by 4. 30,000 goes to holding company. 10,000 goes to minority. So this goes. Then here this all goes. Now regarding the building, 1,60,000 is there now. Now it's valuing how much money? 1,50,000. 1,60,000 become 1,50,000. Capital loss of 10,000. Capital loss 1,60,000 minus 1,50,000. Difference of 10,000 is a capital loss. 3 by 4 means 7,500. 2,500. Hope you understand. Original value was 1,60,000. Today's value 1,50,000. There's a difference of 10,000 capital loss. 7,500 goes to revenue and 2,500 goes to minority. Then next one, regarding the machinery, what's the value? 1,35,000. Now valuing how much? 1,92,500. Machinery, what's the value? 1,92,500. Today's market value. Original value 1,35,000. You got a capital here. This is capital profit. To the extent of 1,92,500 minus 1,35,000, 57,500 capital profit. 57,500 appreciation. This is your appreciation. It's a capital profit. Machinery, revenue, it's a depreciation. Capital loss, it's a depreciation. This is appreciation. This is depreciation. This is appreciation. 57,500 into 3 divided by 4. It comes to 43,125 minority 57,500 into 1 divided by 4. It comes to 14,375. Now, you have to add. Minority, this is your minority. 1 lakh plus 12,500 plus 17,500 plus 10,000 minus 2,500 plus 14,375. 1,51,875. Minority interest. How it will be? Total number of share is 4,000, 3,000 taken by Ravi. The balance 1,000 goes to Kiran. 1,000 into 100 is 1 lakh. Your capital is at the time of acquisition is 50,000. 3 by 4 is 37,500. 1 by 4 is 12,500. Capital profit 30,000 in the balance sheet, 40 totally 80,000 acquired after 6 months, means 40,000 6 months, 40 plus 30 70, share it 52,500 17,500. What's the remaining leftover? Another 40,000. This is revenue profit 30,000 10,000. Then your original value of building was 1,60,000. Today is valuing 1,50,000. There is a depreciation which is called capital loss. Asset depreciation is called capital loss. So share it 7,500, 2,500. Then regarding the machinery, it was 1,35,000 in the balance sheet as a book value. Today's market value is 1,92,500. There was an increase of 57,500. 3 by 4 is 43,125. Then 1 by 4 is 14,375. If we add all these things, no, it will get 1,51,875 is the minority interest, means goes to Kiran. Who has to pay? Ravi has to pay Kiran how much money? 1,51,870. It will appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. This is the first working note. Now, second one. Calculation of goodwill. Particulars. Rupees. Cost of investment. How much money paid by the holding company in order to purchase it? 3,000 share. How much he paid? 4,50,000 for how many share? 3,000 shares. 4,50,000. He paid for how many share? 3,000. Minus face value. 3,000 share of rupees 100 each. It is 3 lakh. How much more? 1,50,000, which is considered as goodwill. Actually, he has to pay how much? 3 lakh. How much you pay face value? 4,50,000. How much extra paid? 1,50,000 as a goodwill. Now, you have to calculate capital reserve plus capital profit minus capital loss. This you have to appear. Come back one by one. What's your capital reserve of this, Ravi? 30. This goes to Minar. Leave it off. You take only Ravi. 37,500. 37,500. Only cap. Come back to capital profit. Here, capital profit is how much? 52,500. Plus another capital profit here, machinery appreciation. How much capital profit here? Machinery capital profit is how much? 43. This is totally 57. How much goes to him? 43,125 minus. What's your capital loss? 7,500. 2,500 goes to minor. What's the total capital loss? 10,000. For the sake of that capital, that is 3 by 4. How much loss? 7,500. Now add this 37,500 plus 52,500 plus 43,125 minus 7,500. 12,500. This is 37,500. This is 37,500 plus 52,500 plus 43,125 minus 7,500. 1,25,625. Next para. Goodwill to balance sheet. Whichever is more, either the capital reserve or if the capital reserve more, it will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. If the goodwill comes, it will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. Goodwill 1,50,000 minus 1,25,625. Deduct this 15030, 1,50,000 minus 1,25,625, 24,375. This is a goodwill, goes to balance sheet. How much will go? 24,375 rupees will goes to balance sheet. Now, we have to prepare the balance sheet now. Balance sheet of Ravi Limited, with Kiran Limited. Capital and liabilities. Rupees. Slowly can do. Number 1, shareholders fund. Number 1, share capital of Ravi Limited. Share capital of Ravi Limited. See the balance sheet. How much is there? 10 lakh. 10 lakh rupees. Then, so that goes here. Reserve, pre-acquisition reserve is how much? Capital reserve should not be taken. This should not be taken. capital profit should not be taken. What is next one? Preference share capital A, B. Preference share capital 1 lakh. Come back to profit. Only profit is how much? The balance goes. This goes to minority. This goes to capital profit. How much profit is there? 2 lakh. See, profit of Ravi Limited 2 lakh. Add revenue profit. What's your revenue profit here? Working note. Revenue profit here. How much is there? 30,000. Don't take capital profit. 2,30,000. Then regarding the reserve, then only here capital reserve is there, no revenue reserve. Then this goes to one side. Then number 2, long-term loan. Your debenture is here, no? It will come on the liability side. 9% debenture. $70,000. Number 3, current liabilities. Creditors. Add. Creditor is how much? Here 1,50,000 plus 70. 2,20,000 minus mutual 10,000. 2,10,000 plus minority interest. What's your minority interest? 1,51,875. Add 2,10,000 210 plus 1,51,875. 3,61,875. Add 10 lakh 10,2030 plus 1,2030 plus 2,3030 plus 70,30 plus 3,61,875. 17,61,875. Total source. Now, application of funds. Rupees. Number application of funds. Number 1, fixed assets. Come back here. Which are the fixed assets are? First one, building 2,50,000 plus 1,60,000. Building. What's the value? 2,50,000, 1,60,000, 2,50,000 plus 1,60,000. It has come down. The new value is 1,50,000. So there is a depreciation of 10,000. 1,50,000. So 2 lakh 1 lakh means 4 lakh rupees. This goes to building. Then B, machinery. What's the original value? 2,60,000 plus 1,35,000. 2,60,000 plus 1,35,000. There is a appreciation of building appreciation, machinery appreciation. How much? 57,500. 57,500. How much will come? 2,60,000 plus 1,35,000 plus 57,500. 4,52,500. 4,52,500. B. C. Goodwill. Goodwill is how much? 24,375. Add the 3. 4 lakh plus 4,52,500 plus 24,375. 8,76,875. Fixed asset. One building is depreciated, machinery is appreciated, extra goodwill 8,76,875. Number 2, current assets. Underline. Which are the current assets are? Number 1, stock. 2,20,000 plus 1,50,000. Stock. 2,20,000 plus 1,50,000. 3,70,000. Stock. What next? This over. Debtor. 1,50,000 plus 90. Debtor. 1,50,000 plus 90 minus mutual 10,000. So 1,50,000, 240 means 2,30,000. This goes to debtor mutual. What is next one? Cash at bank. Cash at bank. 90 plus 1,95,000. Bank. Repeat. 90,000 plus 1,95,000. 90,000 plus 1,95,000. 90 plus 195, 2,85,000. Add 3,70,000 plus 2,30,000 plus 2,85,000. 8,85,000. Add plus 8,76,000. 875. 17,61,875. Total application. Your total source equal to total application. Asset is equal to liability. This is a fixed asset. This is a current asset. Goes this, goes this. If we add now 17,61,875. So what are the steps to do? We have to calculate how many shares are there. According to this problem, we have got 4 lakh divided by 100 means 4,000 share. 3,000 share is taken by Ravi Limited. The balance 1 goes to current minority. Then they are in the ratio of 3:1. Then calculation of capital and reserve. Here, your company acquired on 110 starts from 1/4/2017 to 31,218 is 1 year. So 110 means after 6 months. Your balance sheet shows capital reserve on 1/4, that is called capital reserve. Regarding the profit, on 1/4 you have got 30,000. Profit for the year is 80,000. Half means 40,000 is the capital profit, another 40,000 is the revenue profit. We divided that. We are divided. Then depreciation of building is a capital loss. Appreciation of machinery is a capital profit. We distributed then and find out the minority interest. Then in minority we have a capital, share of capital reserve, share of capital profit, share of appreciation, share of depreciation. Remaining balance we are done. Regarding for 3,000 share, he invested how much money? 4 lakh 50. What's the real value? 3 lakh. Then 1 lakh 50,000 is the goodwill. If you have got either the capital reserve or the goodwill, one should be appear in the balance sheet is a law. Capital reserve will come on the liability side, goodwill come in the asset side. If we calculate now, goodwill has come 24,370, it will come on the asset side. So we tally the balance sheet, it is 17,61,875. Hope you understand this problem very easy. First, slowly we have to calculate capital profit and the revenue profit. This is a third problem which already doing. One more problem in next class, then we say that. So holding company understand. We'll meet in the next session with another problem. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.